Once vehicle set on hoist, rims and tires are off and they are set in the wash bay. Since these are newer wheels, Ryan's applying only soap and a full scrub down to these wheels to take any track debris or outside debris off the rims. Next, Ryan will be wiping down the wheels and removing the old wheel weights off the rims. With a plastic scraper, he'll take the old wheel weights off using a label adhesive remover. Spray down the glue and just let it sit for a few minutes and it peels right off. The rims are now completely clean. You'll see here Ryan setting the tire up on the machine. And this machine is actually a snap-on machine. It's a touchless machine, meaning that there are no bars and interference to scratch the wheels up. It actually will remove the rubber off the rim without touching the rim itself. Now Ryan is doing this in manual mode. There is also an automatic mode, which the machine will do it all for you with a touch of a button. But in this video, we're showing you on a manual mode, so you get the idea that we do take precautions, especially in an expensive rim and tire as this one here. Now that the tire is off the rim, we'll proceed to inspect the wheel for any corrosion around the lip area. And we'll give it a wipe down. This is a newer wheel, so there's probably not going to be any corrosion on the rims. But normally on an older wheel, there'll be some calcium buildup, which we'll try to get off before we install the rubber. Lubricate both sides of the rubber, install, falls right in, set our machine. Ryan will then proceed to install the rubber back on the rim and inflate it to press up against the bead and seal the tire on the rim. You'll notice that we do have the actual black wheel weights that are anodized for the black wheels. You'll see Ryan gently putting the rim on the machine, getting a setup for the balancing. All it takes is a self-calibration, figures out where the wheel weight is supposed to be with the little red laser dot. Ryan will then proceed to install the weights, rebalance it. You can see everything's A-OK. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for another episode.